Hello and welcome to Train Synthetic. This week it's a kit build and it's this Uhlenbrock kit. So I'll do an unboxing review, do a high speed build, and then we can have a look at it. So if you stay tuned, I'll now start the titles. This is the Uhlenbrock kit. I bought this 3 years ago, and this is what makes it special. It got DCC controlled lighting. So in this kit you get this. You get a big load of card parts. You got some smaller card parts. And then you've got the instructions, but just to make my life a bit awkward, they're all in German. But it also have pictures showing what you need to do, so it shouldn't be too hard, I hope. And you've got some interesting things to do. The hardest bit look like the instructions for programming the decoder, and then it looked like it's just general advice. I bought this from A&H Models 3 years ago when I was up watching the Silverstone Grand Prix. So if you're down at the Silverstone Grand Prix and want something to do, just pop down the road and you get to go to a very nice little model shop. I was going to pop in there earlier on this year on my way back from holiday, but I couldn't find any parking. The last thing we got is this list of parts, I think. So I'm going to build this over the next few days. I'll do it as a high-speed build, and if I find anything interesting, I'll stop and chat about it. I currently have the room lights turned off and just set up so that we can see what I'm doing. I have programmed for a decoder, which is a board underneath there, just down there. And to do that, there's a blue button on it you hold, and then you send a command from the first address you want to do. So if I press the buttons, you get to fluorescent light effect, and then it turns on. So just going through, turning all the lights on. And I can turn them all off. So this is quite a nice system. So let me turn on the light and then we can talk about it. So here it is in all its glory. Let me just move out to 10, then we can see it all. I'm powering it from my DigiCheck set per unit. And this was a really nice build. It's not the easiest of kit, and I have done a little bit of damage as I had it on my windowsill and it got blown off. So the chimney pot have gone. But it's a really nice build and it brought back some really nice memories. As when I bought this kit, I was at the Grand Prix with my brother. It was a treat from a charity called Willows. There will be a link down at the bottom, as he had quite aggressive cancer. So I felt, with it being his birthday week this week, I thought, why not build a kit that we both chose when we were having a fun time. As this kit was bought from A&H Models at Bamborough, I think it is, which was just down the road from the Grand Prix. So I'm very pleased I built this kit. I don't have a clue whereabouts it's going to live. I might make a little diorama to keep it on. I might give it to one of my family members for their layouts. But this is quite a nice kit, and I really enjoyed building it. One little problem I had with this kit is that instructions are only in German, but I have translated them using Google Translate. And if anybody wants a copy of the instructions, send me an email to my my link on my contact page, and I'll send you the translation document I created. So let's finish this off. I'll be back in a moment, and then we can have a last conversation. I'd like to dedicate this build to my brother Sam and the lovely memories we had of the Grand Prix. I'd like to do a very special thank you to Willows, who there will be a link in the bottom, for actually giving us the experience of the Formula 1 Grand Prix several years ago. I think it was, I'm not quite sure which year it was, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago, but it was such a magical few days, and I have so many lovely memories about Sam. So thank you everyone who was watching, and I'll see you all on Wednesday for, what is Wednesday? Wednesday's going to be Wednesday's going to be just pottering around the layout and get some jobs done. I'll have the camera and then show you what I've been up to. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and share, especially share with everybody you know, as I like people watching my videos. Then next Saturday we'll be back on the Garden Railway. I've been shopping at Princess Risborough and other places again, so we got more stuff to do. I believe next Saturday will be power and control, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you very much, Richard.